Another impressive run here in gold today. We have seen it hitting the highs at 3791 here, very close to the next milestone at 3800. Can we expect gold to breach 3800? Very close to it now, and it appears easy, but let's see whether gold is willing to break that critical milestone or not. And it is crude oil which is beautifully bounced back. See, I have mentioned earlier in the day 81.5, 81.8 should be 61.5, 61.8 should be a greater support. What has happened? We have seen a good bounce back, and now oil is back to 63, while we have seen a range bound movement in Dow Jones and Nasdaq. Both are trading towards the record levels here. What to expect now from these four instruments with the US session? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, we're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates on these instruments. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with crude oil, lastly Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones. Watch till the end. First, if you look at the movement here in gold prices, you can see clearly exponential rise. It is right from the lows here at 3660 on the hourly charts. We have seen it now moving close to 3791. Look at the formation, rise, retracement, forming the base here now at 3740. We have seen it again delivering a good rise, but you can see bulls appear to be slightly exhausted here. Lower highs are seen, and thus now we have to wait for it to trade beyond 3788. If it trades beyond 3788, you can stay with the buys here, and once it trades beyond 3788, it will deliver another round of rally all the way towards 3800. But notice the move here on the hourly charts is completely outside Bollinger Bands. It is getting hesitant here at the current levels, and I will wait for it to trade below 3780, which might give you 40-50 points towards 3774-75, the first target zone. And yes, the 5-period moving average has been a very good support, because below this we can expect it to come back and erase the gains from these two candles, that is 3760 and 3750 levels should be the next targets here. Hence 3774-75 is going to be one crucial support, and then below that you can expect 3760 or in fact 3750 levels. But right now it is not willing to give up, it appears the case here. Though everything which goes up might try to show a little pullback as well. Stochastic overbought. MACD is at the top here, divergent, bullish, looking upwards. RSI is also staying extremely overbought. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, likewise see it has formed a very good base now at 3740. With that as base, we have seen three strong bullish candles. The current one could be the red one, 3774, 75, 3770. You should watch out for these two, and then I will wait for 3760, 50, 40. Any drop below 3740 is the only sign of reversal, else it is still not yet giving any signs of reversal. It is still staying bullish. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, and it appears to be at the top here. Sooner it has to reverse. These are the levels from which gold tries to reverse here. RSI is staying extremely overbought. Coming to 3, on the 3 hour chart, similar observation. See, the 5 period is so far been a very good support. And now one thing is clear, as long as 3740 is not taken for the day, you should not be treating this as bearish. Though a little retracement can be expected here, though a little drop can be expected, but it's not going to reverse or completely eliminate the gains from since 3740. I think it is going to be difficult. But remember, once it trades below 3775 and 3770, stay short for 3760, 3750, and if that is, then you can confirm 3740 will also be taken. But right now, too early to jump onto that conclusion. Stochastic rising, MACD rising here, looking upwards. RSI is staying extremely overbought here. Coming to 4 hour, similar observation here on the 4 hour charts. See, every rise it tries to consolidate. 5 period offering it a very good support, and now if this time it breaches beyond 3788 mark here, we are looking forward to 3800, and that could be the beginning of another couple of bullish candles run here, where we are going to head towards 3816, 3828, or in fact 3840 levels here. Three levels beyond 38 very nearby, and this is applicable only for the day. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, divergent and bullish. RSI is staying extremely overbought here. Coming to daily, now look at the daily charts here. Since creating the base here now at 3640, first rise, then a retracement. This is the second big rise. Today it has not shown any signs of retracement. Possibly, let's wait if it tries to reverse. Now it has to trade below 3740 in order to confirm any signs of reversal here, which might take it all the way towards 3690 or in fact 3640 levels here. Yes, might move towards double bottom, but right now it says straight bull run, three straight bullish candles, and it is still looking upwards, not giving up any signs of retracement or reversal. And see, since taking the support, it is delivering a breakout, so it might try to continue. But one thing is clear, that the run is slightly overstretched for now. Stochastic overbought, MACD again at extremes here, and the RSI is at extremes as well. So considering what you should do, where you should buy, now, one thing is clear, I will only recommend you to buy now at 37.88. If you see now gold trading above 37.88, it stay bullish for 3800 mark. And trading above 3800 mark is where you can confirm the next move is going to take it towards 38, 16, 18. The next target 38, 28 levels the next, and if this is taken, we can expect 38.40 today itself. uh, Stretched, slightly overstretched. I think if you see gold at these levels today, you can take a selling entry from these levels. Possibly it may give you a good drop back to 3800 mark. But yes, till 3840, chances of reversal will be difficult. If at all it starts to move above 3800, this might deliver a massive bull run here. Now, before I give you the selling entry, because that is also equally critical, yes, before I give you that, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, do not miss to join the mentorship batch. In the mentorship batch, you get all the tools, techniques, and strategies in order to find out the profitable trades with ease. And yes, you'll also be part of our alumni students channel, where you get all the trades and trends there. We discuss everything, and yes, you can also re-attend the live classes as many as times as you want, and you will also get the recording. So do not miss this opportunity. Be a part of the mentorship batch. Else you can be a part of the signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can profit. And those looking forward to just a trusted partner which offers you a swift free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Where you should sell 37.78, you can take a sell, expect 37.70 as the first target, 37.60 as the next. Now this zone, 37.60, 37.50, and 37.40, three numbers here, this is going to be the most critical zone for the day. Any drop below 37.40, you can stay with the sales from here towards 37.10 and then 36.90 levels. Chances for such a drop appears very, very less, at least today. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's move to silver. Now, or rather crude oil now. We'll see what to expect from crude oil now. See, yet again, crude oil has got a very good support right from the zone 61.8, 61.5. And we have been tracking these levels. I have mentioned, see, it is delivering higher lows. So now it is possible that oil might move towards higher highs and still keep itself intact in this bullish channel. So now it is very, very crucial for oil to trade beyond 63. And as we know, 63, 63.3, and 63.6 are the three levels which oil need to breach, because see, since retracement, it is now delivering a breakout. Possibility exists that we will see 64 and in fact 66 levels as well. But let's wait for it to take a shape. Right now it is just bouncing back. Let it stay beyond 63, 63.3, 63.6 zone. One thing is clear, it has formed now another strong support at 61.8, 61.5, which is definitely now critical to breach below in order to confirm any kind of bearishness. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising right from the bottom, RSI is rising as well. Coming to 2 on the 2 hours, similar observation, rise retracement, and see, it is coming out of this bearish channel, which is a sign of a possible reversal. So once you see it is staying beyond 63 and 63.3, you can expect it to deliver a good round of rise, possibly towards 63.6 and 64, the next milestone which I'll be looking forward to. And yes, this time in fact beyond 64, we are waiting for 65, 66 as well. Stochastic rising here, which is also a supportive sign. The MACD also again crossed over at the bottom, and see, we have discussed this rise retracement, second wave is done, looking forward to rise. Let's wait for it to break out beyond the critical resistances, and that will confirm the complete reversal here. RSI rising, which is also a supportive sign here. On the 3-hour charts, when you see similar observation here, see, almost symmetrical here, it has come down towards the resistance, and I'll be waiting for it to trade beyond this critical resistance zone in order to confirm a complete reverse. Stochastic rising, which is indeed a supportive sign for the bulls. The MACD also is crossed over here at the bottom and just couple of candles away since the crossover, which confirms possibly we might see a wave which can take it higher. RSI rising, which is also a supportive sign here. Look at the 4-hour On the 4-hour chart, see symmetrical move here. Look at what has happened. So it might in fact deliver this. If it is bearish, it may try to take the support here from 62.5, 62.3, which is indeed a very good support now. For now, any drop below 62.5, 62.3 is the only sign of possible reversal again. Else what could happen after retracing, it can give you a breakout like this, and then we can see it heading towards 64 here. Stochastic rising supportive for further bullishness. The MACD here has crossed over at the bottom, which is again a very supportive sign for further rise. RSI rising already. Coming to daily. On the daily charts, notice drop here, retracement, bigger drop, again bigger rise, then bigger retracement, taking the support, trying to bounce back. Does it mean it is going to go higher highs? Possibility is there, but I will wait for today's candle. And yes, a movement beyond 20 period is very, very important, and then we can expect it to trade higher, and then if it trades beyond 64, stay bullish for possibly 65 and 66 very, very soon. Stochastic rising, MACD is also at the bottom trying to bounce back, RSI rising here. So looking at, now see here, you can buy it definitely at 63, but remember this is going to be critical till 63.5, 63.6 is not taken. Now this is going to be one crucial milestone, and this complete zone is very, very crucial. Prices can reverse any point of time from here, and then I will wait for 64, then 65, and in fact 66 very, very soon, if not today. Right now it is not giving any such sign. It is just staying in the zone. It is coming back to the resistance zone here. On the downside now, 62.5 very crucial for oil to break below, and then I will expect 62.25, 62. Now see how critical are the support here on the downside, and how beautifully these have been respected. Only if it trades below 61.4, 61.5, you can say now it is a time for oil to deliver a round of drop. Else it is still not bearish. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's move to Nasdaq 100. Tech 100 definitely showing a struggle at 24,780 zone. But at the same time, the point to note here is it is not willing to give up on the downside as well. See, it has waited for the 20-50 period moving average to climb up, and it is just trading in a range here. Now it is very, very important for Tech 100 to trade below 24,720. If at all it trades below this, you can expect more bearishness to follow. Remember earlier in the day, I had mentioned it is going to be difficult for Tech 100 to trade now beyond 24,780, 800. But it is consolidated, and now we are waiting for a breakout. Whichever direction it delivers this breakout, it is going to be stronger one. Divide this into two, a possible symmetrical move cannot be denied from these levels. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD has also crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bearish, and this appears to be coming from the top here, and hence the down move can be deeper here. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone here. Coming to 2 hour on the 2-hour charts, likewise, see it is still trading in a range. A breakout move beyond 24,800 should be treated up seriously, because beyond this we are looking forward to a greater massive move here. But when you look at the last few movements here, rise retracement towards 20 period, rise retracement towards 20 period, it could again retrace towards 20 period. Now 20 period is sitting very, very close, 24,680 levels here. Yes, this is going to be the next crucial support, 24,680, 650, 600. And as long as now 24,600 is not taken, you should not be treating Tech 100 as bearish. That is pretty clear. Very, very easy. Stochastic right now trading bearish. The MACD is again crossing over for sell. Slight bearish indication it is, but this is just crossed over, and the current candle will decide the direction it wants to take. RSI looking downwards. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3-hour charts, likewise, see right now it is seen taking support from 5 period moving average. See last few drops, if you see 20 period has offered it a good support, and if you connect the highs and the lows, you will find Tech 100 trading in this channel. And now it is very, very crucial for Tech 100 to trade below 24,600 in order to confirm any kind of bearishness, and 24,400 to confirm any kind of reversal here. It requires a lot much of effort from Tech 100 to do so. Right now, see, it is trying to trade below 5 period, and I will wait for the next candle specifically. If it tries to trade below 24,600, that's a reversal. Stochastic looking down, MACD willing to cross over for sell. The RSI is staying overbought. On the 4-hour charts, when you look on the 4-hour charts, notice after forming the twin top, it is trying to erase some of the gains, and see it is getting a very huge support. It can bounce back again. It can, if it trades beyond now, beyond 24,800, I think there is no other point but you have to just stay bullish from there. This might deliver another breakout run here, though I can see the run slightly over its test. See what has happened here and here, you can see this, it might replicate this as well. But I think we have to wait a little in order to confirm this move. Stochastic overbought, MACD overbought, RSI overbought here. Coming to daily, here on the daily charts, what a run it has been, right from 23 500 600 levels to 24 800. Amazing run. It has been straight bullish candles, and now it appears that it might try to decide a direction. Why? Because see, it has formed a double top already, and hence it can deliver a symmetry. That is one possibility you can look for. But I will say till 24 600 is not taken, you should be cautious with the sells. Below 24 600 there is a possibility for further bearishness, but I'll say the reversal confirmation is only and only if it trades below 24 400 300, which appears to be a distant dream for now. Look at 20 period where it is sitting almost 24 200, and you can see 24,000, the median of the Bollinger Bands. Overstretched run it is. Stochastic extremely overbought. MACD still has room for further rise, and RSI is also right now staying extremely overbought. Now time for me to give you the trading levels. Before I give you the levels here, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, do join my mentorship batch where you get all the tools, techniques, and strategies. Also, you get all the hand holding for your trading decisions in future, as well as you'll be part of our students channel on Telegram. Also, you can get the recordings and you can re-attend the live classes as many times as you want in the future sessions. Do not miss this opportunity. Be a part of it. Or else be a part of my signals channel on Telegram where trading as per the signals you can profit. Write an email, ping me or Telegram. Those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a stress-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So I will now only recommend you to buy at 24,808 levels. Expect 24,856 and then stay bullish for possibly 24,930 25,000 levels here. Not in favor of such a rise today, but yes, as it reaches these levels, the bullishness will increase. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 24,730 levels. Expect 24,680, very nearby support. 24,644 the next, and 24,600 the ultimate. If it stays below 24,600, you can stay short 24,500, 24,400, and then just talk in terms of hundreds. 24,300, these are very crucial numbers. It appears to be a round off number, but yes, these are very crucial support levels for now. As in how it breaches these levels, as in how it breaches any of these levels, the bearishness is going to increase from here. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's move to Dow Jones. See, US 30 is also trading in a range here. It has failed to break the highs which it has seen yesterday around 46,450 levels, and now trying to erase the gains. Also notice it is still delivering slightly higher highs, higher lows. Very crucial for US 30 to trade below 46,350 300 zone, and only if it is seen trading below 46,350 300 zone, you can say now it is reversing. 46,350 300 mark this zone. This is going to be very crucial for US 30 here. If you look at the moving averages, these are trading bullish. The stochastic right now looking down. The MACD also crossed over, trying to diverge, trying to suggest slight bearishness. RSI is also suggestive of slight bearishness here. Look at the 2 hour. On the 2 hour chart, similar observations. See, higher lows are seen. Very crucial for US 30 to trade below 46 340 400 350 300 zone. Very crucial. These levels are going to be a drop below 46 300 might confirm the next move towards 46 100 levels here. 46 100 the next milestone which it has to trade below in order to confirm a reversal today. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD trying to converge, the RSI looking down here. If you see the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, it has formed a very good base here. From the 5-period moving average, we have to wait for 46 350 300 zone to be taken in order to confirm any kind of bearishness here. Yes, the stochastic is looking down while the MACD almost flat and the RSI almost staying flat. Now on the 4-hour charts also, it is similar observation. See, it is crucial. As long as now 46 340 is not taken, do not take a sell here. Below that only you can expect it to reverse and drop. Else I am still not suggestive of you to sell, though I think it is slightly overbought and it can show you pullback. But again, 46 340 300 levels, it has to trade below. Stochastic overbought, MACD overbought, RSI at the top. Coming to daily. Now here on the daily charts, if you look at, see, higher highs are seen here and higher lows are seen here. It is increasing body size, though it could be a symmetrical move here. Yes, see this We have seen bullishness, possibly reversal cannot be denied, but then very very crucial for it to trade below 46,300, 200 and 46,000 level. Still 46,000, it has just got a support at every 100 point, you can say. Moving averages are bullish here. And now remember, a move beyond 46,500, it is going to move towards 46,650, 46,800 as well. Be careful of this. Yes, though it is overbought, but it is still having room for further bullishness. So considering this, now I will only recommend you to buy if you see US30 staying beyond 46,480 levels. Expect 46,550, 46,640 levels, and then 46,800 next. Beyond that, sky is the limit. 47,000 should be there very very soon. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 46,340, 300, 200, 100. Once it trades below 46,100, stay short. Stay short for 45,950. 45,800, and below that it may deliver a huge move on the downside. Right now it is not showing any signs for such move. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.